guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all this very simple dewy makeup look which is perfect for the winter season. So winter season mein to our skin becomes very dry and dehydrated. So to apply makeup in a way that your skin looks plump and juicy and dewy is a huge task. But for that you need to use the right kind of products. Okay, so you guys can see how well hydrated and dewy my skin is currently looking, right? So all of this is a result of few products that I will be sharing with you all in today's video. And these two products, like the two main products which has given me this kind of a flawless dewy base, is from Kiro. So Kiro is an Indian beauty and makeup brand and they have a huge range of skincare as well as makeup products. And their products are not only infused with vitamins, oils and butters, but they are also free of nasty toxic ingredients that could potentially harm your body. And also they are PETA certified, toxin free, vegan and paraben free as well. So in today's video, the two main products which I've used for getting this beautiful dewy base is the Kiro's 3% hyaluronic acid face serum as well as the Kiro's Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. So this 3% hyaluronic acid face serum by Kiro is really amazing because it just provides your skin that intense hydration and beautiful and amazing glow. So hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant that provides multi-level intense hydration to keep your skin radiant, plump and healthy. And also hyaluronic acid can hold water up to 1000 times its weight, and hydration is the key to ageless and glowing skin. So this serum is also infused with cucumber extract, kiwi extract, lotus flower extract, blueberry extract, licorice extract, calendula extract as well as grapefruit and lily extract. Also this is a very lightweight serum that gets instantly absorbed into your skin, giving you that beautiful soft smoother skin. And for my foundation I use the Kiro's Daily Dewy Serum Foundation because this one again contains hyaluronic acid, vitamin C as well as niacinamide. So when you're using a mix of skincare and makeup product that is infused with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide and all of these amazing ingredients, you will definitely get beautiful and healthy glowing skin. In fact, it will actually look like your skin is glowing from within, So that is why I loved using both of these products for creating this makeup look, and you guys can see how flawless my skin looks, right? So yeah, now without further rambling, let's begin with the tutorial. Okay guys, so firstly for my skin prep, I'm going to be using this Kiro's hyaluronic acid serum because this just gives me a very nice dewy base, which is very important especially now in the colder winter months. Now for the foundation, I'm going to be using the Kiro's Daily Dewy Serum Foundation because this one also contains hyaluronic acid, vitamin C as well as niacinamide. So I really love how glowy and dewy my skin is looking at this point. At the same time, it is not feeling cakey at all. It feels very much skin like, which I really love. Now for my concealer, I'm going to be using my absolute favorite, the Stars Cosmetics concealer, and I will just be applying it like in my under eye area and just a little bit around my mouth because that is where I need a little bit of more coverage. So now because I want that dewy skin, I will not be setting my entire face with a loose powder. I will just be setting my under eyes and a little bit of areas where I get I sweat a lot. So I will be using my Verified's loose powder. Okay, so this is a really nice loose powder for setting your face because it just blurs out your skin really beautifully. So that's our base done. Now for my blush, I'm going to be using this one by Miss Claire. So this is the Miss Claire blusher in the shade 02, and I really love this particular shade as well, because it's a very beautiful like pinkish mauvish color, and it's also equally pigmented. Okay, it's very pigmented. So you just need like this much, and you can just start patting, because it's super pigmented blusher. Now for my highlighter, I'm going to be using this absolute favorite highlighter of mine. This is the Nude Sticks Nudies Glow in the shade Hey Honey. Now we'll move on to the eye makeup. So for that, I'm just using a single eyeshadow, and this again is by Kiro. So this is the Long Wear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick, and this also contains vitamin C as well as mango seed oil. So that's done, and now to add a bit of color to my eye look, I will be using this Renee's liquid liner, and this is in a very beautiful blue color. So that's our eye makeup done. I am quickly going to do the same thing on the right side of my on my right eye as well, and even wear my eyelashes and be right back. So that's our eye makeup done. So now for my lips, I'm going to be using the Kiro Super Butter Lip Lacquer in the shade Spiced Nutmeg. So that's our makeup done. I'll just quickly accessorize a little and be right back.